In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to your WordPress dashboard in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to WordPress or just need a quick refresher, this guide is designed to help you access your dashboard swiftly and with ease. Let's kick things off by discussing what the WordPress dashboard is. Essentially, it's the control center for your WordPress site. From here, you can create new posts, add pages, adjust your site's appearance, manage plugins, and much more. It's crucial to know how to access your dashboard because it's where all the magic happens. To begin, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress site. This is typically your site's domain name. For most, this would look something like yoursite.wordpress.com. Once you're there, witnessing your website in all its glory, you're just a few steps away from accessing the dashboard. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do I get to the dashboard from here? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Look towards the top left corner of the page. Here you'll see your site's name. This isn't just a label but a gateway to your WordPress management tools. At this point you'll want to hover over your site name. That's right, simply place your cursor over the name and you'll see a drop down menu appear. This menu is your shortcut to several areas of your site management, including the coveted dashboard. Now for the final step, accessing the dashboard. Within that drop-down menu that appeared when you hovered over your site's name, you'll see an option labeled Dashboard. Yes, it's that straightforward. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. With this single click, you'll be transported to the back end of your website where you're able to control and customize every aspect of your WordPress site. And just like that, you're in. You've successfully navigated to your WordPress dashboard. Here you have the power at your fingertips to post new content, customize your design, install plugins, and much more. Before we wrap up, a few tips to enhance your WordPress experience. Firstly, consider bookmarking your dashboard URL. This way you can bypass the steps we've gone through today and directly access your dashboard with just one click. Moreover, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, take some time to explore the various options and settings. Knowing your way around the dashboard will make your site management tasks much more efficient. Lastly, if you're ever unsure about a feature or setting within the dashboard, WordPress has a comprehensive help section. Don't hesitate to use it. The WordPress community is also a fantastic resource full of forums and discussions that can provide answers and support. To recap, today we've learned how to access your WordPress dashboard by going to your site, hovering over the site name at the top left, and then clicking on Dashboard. We've also covered some tips to make your WordPress journey smoother. I hope this guide has been helpful. WordPress is a powerful tool for creating and managing websites, and knowing how to quickly access your dashboard is key to leveraging its full potential. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore our channel for more tutorials and tips on making the most out of your WordPress experience.